On Thursday, various press members on the island were invited by the Ritz Carlton for a breakfast and spa experience. Media personnel from several newspaper publications, different magazine reps, radio hosts, and on-air television personalities took part in a breakfast nicely coordinated by the Ritz-Carlton hospitality team. The industry came together in a great way to talk business and pleasure. From there, we were informed that their spa is the biggest one on the island. The treatment rooms are spacious, as well the products are unique and natural. It was an overall great Thursday morning for members of the press to start their day.